this video, we're going to have the user input 3 integers, and we'll sort them from least to greatest. As you can see, I already have this import that I use in pretty much everything, and I have my main method started. So first, let's tell the user what's going to happen. We'll leave in comments along the way to let everyone see what's going on. So introduction, we'll say this program will take in 3 integers and sort them from least to greatest. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to create a scanner. So create a scanner. So we'll just use the typical name for it. So scanner input equals new scanner system dot in, and we'll have user input 3 integers. So we'll tell them to input 3 integers. We'll say input 3 integers separated by spaces. Alright, so we'll enter 3 integers on that line. So int a equals input dot next int. Same thing with ints b and c. Alright, we now have integers a, b, and c. So we'll sort a and b. Alright. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to sort a and b, then b and c, then a and b again. The logic behind that is to make sure it's all good at the end. If we sort a and b, let's say a is... I'm not going to be able to explain it very well. If you look at the code and study that, it'll make a lot more sense. Alright, so if a is greater than b, we are going to use a temporary variable. If a is greater than b, we are going to swap a and b. We do that by using a temporary variable. So we'll say int temp equals a. Then we do the actual swapping. A equals b, and int b equals temp. Oh, I'm sorry, I should not have the word int there. That was not the right thing to do. So after that, we will sort b and c. So sort b and c. So if b is greater than c, int temp equal c, int temp would equal b. We're going to go with the same format that we had up here. So that would be b equals c and c equals temp. Then we're going to repeat the same thing that we had on the first line down to the last one. So sort a and b again. Here we can just copy and paste that because that is literally the exact same code. Alright. Now everything is sorted. Output the result. Alright. So this is going to be from least to greatest. The numbers from least to greatest are, and we'll go down, and we'll keep it on. We'll go down the next line. A, put little spaces in between them, plus B, plus So that should work. Alright, this program will take in 3 integers and sort them from least to greatest. I actually don't like how it looks. I'm gonna take out this and here. We'll run that again. This program will take in 3 integers and sort them from least to greatest. Input 3 integers separated by spaces. Let's make sure let's put it from greatest to least. 98, 97, 96. And the integers from least to greatest are 96, 97, 98. Just what if I put them in from least to greatest starting out? Well, it actually doesn't sort anything. It realized that they're in the right order right away. I can have large, middle, then large, low, then middle. So go with a large number, then a low, then a middle, and it still gets in the right order. Or I can have low, middle, low, large, middle. So let's go with a low, then a large, and then a middle number. Alright, I think I've shown this is going to work regardless of what order it's in. I think I may have messed up on that second to last one, but that's not really too important. What's important is that this program is working. I'll let you go through the code, and this code right here, I think it's kind of hard to explain, but if you can go through that and understand it, then you're doing very well with understanding how the logic of these things work. Alright, if you want to see me put any more videos up, let me know what you want, and I will try to get those up there as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.